In this video, I will show you how to change Google Chrome language. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. From here, come down to the bottom, click onto settings. And once you're in your settings, you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto languages. On the languages section, if you look at the section at the top, which is preferred languages, and you want to see if your language is currently showing up. If it's not, then what you can do is click the Add Languages button over here, and what you can then do is scroll through and find the language that you want to change your Google Chrome language to. You can also use the search box at the top if you are looking for a specific language. Then what you can do is tick the box next to the language that you want to change to in Google Chrome. Once you've done that, click onto the Add button at the bottom, and that's going to add it to your preferred languages. After doing this, to change the Google Chrome language, just simply find the language in your preferred languages section, come to the right hand side of that language and click onto the three dots. And then what you need to do is tick the box at the top which says display Chrome in this language. Once you've done that, you need to relaunch your browser for the settings to take effect. And once your browser relaunches, you will now have that new Google Chrome language, and that will change to your preferred Google Chrome language. So that is how to change Google Chrome language. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.